Bianera sa parasha kaisara lokanyo la palodo iwongonet nyezda bu Uganda imoriki kinoriki da kwa psinache anoda Ainumunum Apaaran ngine na kam malaria konyeda neotumano Moroto mama ina peta nepote pedo rose kado akotore idolo lengare no koluka Moroto imoriki kina kideriong etengono ka doctors with the Africa kuwa mukauriano tom kesde jaskwan kesda Akapakin kina nuda moi.
As we popularize the issues concerning the malaria day tomorrow, we are thinking in terms of mobilizing the people. We have been joined by partners whom we have thanked. We are here with a team from Malaria Consortium in the district. They are working with us. We have a team from Kuam. Kuam are the ones who have dressed the people you see in white, who are actively involved in collection of rubbish. And we have a team from UNICEF with us. We have invited a number of partners for tomorrow.
Idaite monokineta no nyesida imora tosa itala onade town ngoni lodo Moroto ketere kina keda tioni singine nada nyoride idengare no kesda bakaside be ekotos kese aito somo na kwape darengu nade be ito resisi na kina itunga aijene iponelo darisaila Ottomano town nepeka okalia kech.
We are using this activity as an awareness creation for the community about the issue of management of rubbish.
We all need to supplement in terms of mindset change. Mindset change is a collective responsibility by everybody, not only the municipal council.
Kado kwa nejata rido kodo kwa naibong Moroto nyezde tere kina kida tionzi nada ituka gasia ibore yenda ikeunite meya ebe ekada loda pia nepeka isoma koto mana municipal council nyezda tionza che iduporit kese mena reta gasia no.
I promise the people of Moroto that we need to have a clean city. But however, this challenge is beyond municipal council. The challenge starts from the community. The mindset of the community is so negative, we don't manage garbage very well. So I argue that we need the support from organizations that have wash programs in order to reduce malaria and cholera within the municipality and the entire district. Then we need to support Moroto Municipal Council in this kind of arrangements.
Akalona deta le town etimu lode ngare no kalo Moroto nepe kari ngetengon loka kwam kesde poto idiaro slaje tomano temngoni lona adunget lode limita ibengina nyesida idikora de kanade malaria noim aloskinete nada riamneta na nyesida rai moro kede itunga eipone lode beitora itija de kana malaria noino anede jasi duelu didik ido Philip Lote lode yaita dex ngini na kona dungete el center 3 nyezda bale bekope kwa na iduelu de doleta kaisa kanyangon na kesde dumnu nete kesi Ottomano ngoni sabiti ejasi kedarie bongini na kam malaria. Godfred Eyoko, TV East, Moroto.